as well. Lots of people out there watching today. Whee, very sideways. Straight through those gates, that's the main thing. Oh, heavy landing. Through the water. Oh, very sideways. Oh. Get it back under control, Mark. Don't do anything daft. Brilliant stuff. In the forest this morning. I'll tell you what, that's how you do it. Fair play there, Matt Brown, Tom Jordan through the gates. Huge splash, huge leap on the brakes, hard brakes. Try and see how you're going through the condensation. There is the Russell Roberts alongside. Down very much. Like the fourth, Mr. Perez. Whirling its way down the Next up then, Gary Pearson. Over the jump. The Welsh champions. First excellent here, there it is. Nicely done from the youngster, really set that up nicely. Wheeler and John Pickavance up next for us. Consistent from Matt Hurst, second here. There's a bit of luck.